Live na live mula sa Governor Faustino ND Senior Hall, inihahandog ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Isabela sa pamumuno ni Governor Rodolfo Rodito Albano III at Vice Governor Faustino Boji D. III. Ang pinakaabangang tagisan ng mga talentadong Isabelenyo. Ito ang Isabella's Got Talent 2024.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon, Isabela. Na-miss nyo ba ang IGT?
Na-miss nyo ba ako?
Na-miss? We're back.
I'm back. Ayan.
Kumusta, partner?
Hello, partner.
Yan.
I'm glad to be back here.
Yes, welcome back. And this is now our Week 17
of Isabella's Got Talent.
Ang Isabella's Got Talent is brought to you by our provincial government of Isabela, headed by the Honorable Rodito T. Albano III.
And of course, Honorable Faustino Boji D. III.
Yan. IGT audience, our viewers sa kanilang mga tahanan, muli sama-sama na naman tayo ngayong hapon para makapag-relax konti kasi sa mga nakaraang linggo, partner, sunod-sunod ang mga bagyo.
No?
At syempre, nakikiisa pa rin tayo sa mga nasalanta nating mga kababayan, sa ating mga kaprobinsya, at lahat ng mga naapektuhan
ng bagyo at ng baha, no?
Yan,
especially this past week.
We continue to pray for them.
Yes, oo. And with that, gusto nga namin sana kayong aliwin, no, sa mga talentong ipapamala sa atin ng ating mga Isabelenyos.
Yes, dahil full house tayo ngayon, Week 17, at marami rin tayong aabangang mga talento. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy tayo hanggang makumpleto natin ang mga sasali sa ating Grand Finals for the Bambanti Festival 2025. At para sa mga gustong sumali, partner, panoorin natin ito.
Layunin ng Isabella's Got Talent na madiskubre ang mga talentadong Isabelenyo mula sa iba't ibang sulok ng Isabela. Ito ay bukas sa lahat ng Isabelenyo na below 65 years old. Pwedeng solo, duo, or group performers with a maximum of 10 members. Pwede rito ang kahit anong act katulad ng pagkanta, pagsayaw, pagmagic, pagpapatawa o iba pang natatanging talento as long as safe ito at hindi magdudulot ng anumang panganib sa mga ibang contestants, sa audience, sa production at sa mga judges. Ang mga contestants ay nag-register online at dumaan sa pre-selection bago sumalang. In 24 weeks ay magsasama-sama tayo upang tunghayan ang mga performances ng ating weekly contestants kung saan magkakaroon ng isang weekly winner na siyang magiging challenger at lalaban sa defending winner mula sa nakaraang linggo. Ang mananalo ang siyang makatatanggap ng 10,000 piso. Ang sinumang act na makadefend ng kanyang titulo sa loob ng 4 na linggo ay siguradong may slot na sa Grand Finals na kung saan pwede siyang manalo ng tumataginting na 100,000 piso. Narito naman ang ating criteria for judging. Technical competence, 35%. Creativity, originality, entertainment value, 30%. Stage appearance and personality, 20%. At overall impact, 15%. For a total of 100%. Excited ka na bang mapanood ang mga performances ng ating contestants? Eto nga na, talentadong Isabelenyos.
Yes, iyan. Sabi nga natin, partner, ang mananalo ng 4 na beses.
Yes, for 4 consecutive weeks, tuloy-tuloy siyang mananalo. Papasok na agad siya sa Grand Finals na gaganapin sa Bambanti 2025.
Kung saan po pwede siyang manalo ng 100,000 pesos. Yan. Partner, ipaalala lang natin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang registration natin. Just visit Isabela PIO. Upload nyo na yung mga videos nyo dyan. At kahit anong talento,
pwede po nyong ipamalas dito. So,
may mga pailan-ilan nang nagpapakita. Last week, we witnessed
beatboxing. Oo, may
yeah.
mga sumayaw na.
Yes.
Meron na ring nag-yo-yo. Ano pa bang baka may mga na-miss pa ako.
Yeah, may
dami ko na-miss di ba?
Yeah. Meron din tayong visual arts, di ba?
Oo, may painting
at nag-drawing.
At yung mga nag-gigitara, di ba? Yes. So kahit ano pong talent, pwede nyo pong ipamalas dito sa Isabela's
Hindi ko pa, namimiss ko pa rin or inaabangan ko pa rin yung kakain ng apoy.
Ay, nako, inaabangan ko rin yan. Kailan kaya?
Oo. At
kaya lang kasi baka hindi safe kung kakain siya ng apoy dito.
Malay mo, dahil mag-submit sila,
gawan natin ng paraan.
Gawan natin ng paraan.
Hintayin natin yan. Okay.
Yan. So, this time, partner, with week 17, let's welcome at ipakilala natin ang ating...
wait lang. Pwede bang, gusto ko lang din ipaalala sa lahat, no? Next week, partner, ang ating Kids Edition Grand Finals for Isabela's Got Talent.
Tama. And partner, extended ang ating registration hanggang 5 o'clock.
Today. So, mga ilang minuto na lang.
Yes.
Ilang minuto lang. Pwede pa pong humabol. Yung mga kids, pwede pa pong sumali sa Isabela's Got Talent.
Nakita nga natin talagang ang daming talento next week.
Oo.
Parang yung mga bata talagang
may variety yung next week, Oo.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Ma-preempt na naman yung...
Ayan.
Ayan na naman ako. Pe-preempt na naman yung mga talents.
Tapos, may 3 na tayong Golden Buzzer na kids winners care of Sir Jesse.
Kaya, next week, abangan natin ang Isabela's Got Talent Kids Edition
Grand Finals.
Yes, and at the same time, yung Grand Finals nga. Ayan, kasama na natin ngayon ang ating mga friends from PSWDO. Yung ating Kids Edition ay in celebration of the National Children's Month. Yan. So, yan ang abangan natin. So, wag na natin
patagalin,
Huwag na natin patagalin. Pero ipakilala muna natin ang ating mga kasamang hurado ngayong linggo. First,
sige. So let us welcome our one of our favorite judges, returning judge, Attorney Carla Luis Agbayani.
Hi, Attorney. Kai, welcome back. And of course, our guest judge for the week, ang host po natin last Monday sa ating flag raising ceremony at nagbabalik, Department of the Interior and Local Government of Isabela Provincial Director, Engineer Corazon Toribio. Welcome sa IGT, ma'am.
And ang ating representative ng ating resident judge and chairman of the Board of Judges. Welcome back, Mr. Jesse James Geronimo.
Hi, Sir Jesse. So, ready na kayo? IGT audience, pag-ingay nga. Ayan.
Ready na ba? Yeah.
Ready
na sila.
Sige.
Okay. Ang judges, ready na kayang mahirapan ngayong araw na to.
Tawagin na natin ang ating Week 17 contestant number 1 from
the City of Ilagan, Mr. Aison Bawi. Yan, may palang dala.
Ang maraming fancy Kumusta, Sir Aison?
Good afternoon.
Mabuti po.
Good afternoon. Kamusta ang City of Ilagan? Nabaha po ba kayo or ano?
Yung ibang part lang po ng barangay po namin.
Pero kayo okay naman po kayo?
Okay naman po.
Yan. Siyempre, hindi kayo makakapunta. Hindi kayo magiging Week 17 first contestants. Hindi sila.
May pala parang may pala kayong dala. Ang daming pumalakpak nung pumasok.
May fans club po ba kayo dito?
May fans club kayo sa likod,
Estudyante ko po.
Estudyante. Sino pong mga kasama nyo ngayon?
Yung asawa ko po.
Wow. Saan po si ma'am? Hello po. Ayan. Welcome po sa IGT. Ayan. Matagal na po ba kayong nag-aabang sa Isabela's Got Talent, sir?
Matagal na po. Nung bago nagkaroon po ng bagyo.
Nakaabang na po kayo?
Nakaabang na po.
So, kasi na-cancel.
Oo, na-cancel. Pero bakit ngayon lang po kayo, nasa week 17 na tayo, ba't ngayon lang po kayo nagpadala ng inyong entry?
Actually po, marami po kasing ginagawa sa school. Activities.
Teacher po kayo?
Opo.
Saan po?
Sa San Andres Elementary School.
San Andres. Batiin niyo po yung mga taga San Andres.
Binabati ko po yung lahat po ng taga San Andres po. City of Ilagan.
Ayan. Sige.
Okay. So,
pakinggan na natin. Ladies and gentlemen, live sa ating IGT stage from City of Ilagan,
Mr. Aison Bawi.
Bakit ka pa naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo, at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko, konting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Natutuwa, nawawalan ng pag-asa, at iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog pa ang Diyos? Natutulog pa? Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Dapat nga ba na ikaw ay maghintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararapat. Magsikap ka at magtiwala sa may kapal. Nakahanda ang Diyos umalalay sa'yo. Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya.
That's our week 17 first contestant from the city of Ilagan,
Mr. Aison Bawit.
Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Timely, ano? Pagkatapos ng baha, daming pinagdaanan, parang inspiring yung first song natin na yun. Bakit po ba napili niyo yung Natutulog ba ang Diyos?
Yun din po yung rason po kung bakit ko kinanta. Para magbigay po ng kan po sa kanila. Uplift song po sa kanila.
Sige, tignan natin kung maraming salamat.
Pakinggan na natin, Attorney Kai.
Hello po, good afternoon. Una po lang po, masakit na yung ulo ko. Sir Aison, yung version po niya, ang alam ko po, no, yung Natutulog ba ang Diyos, kilala po yung version ni Gary V. Pero sa inyo po, reminiscent yung vibrato nyo, parang Ogie Alcacid. Parang doon siya nako-compare. Pero to the last part, doon ko lang nakita yung kaba nyo. Pero the entire performance, ang linis, very controlled, very strong. So it was a very strong performance.
Thank you very much.
Very controlled, very strong.
Very controlled, yan.
Yes.
Engineer Cora.
Okay. Good afternoon, Sir Aison. Alam nyo, kaninang kumakanta ka, pumipikit ako. But I would like to hear na yung kanta mo, yung rendition mo, Closing My Eyes. Kasi sabi nila, music is also about storytelling. No? Kailangan magaling kang magkwento. So kailangan ramdam kahit hindi mo nakikita yung kumakanta. So sabi ko, maayos. No? So sabi ko, ang ganda namang panimula ito. So, congratulations po.
Ayan, thank you. Ma'am Cora, Sir Jess.
Sir Jess.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Hi, Sir Raymel, Ma'am Joanne. Hi, Sir Aison. Magandang hapon. Napaka-tindi ng boses niyo, Sir Aison. The range is very, very impressive. From the lower register hanggang dun sa nag-soar na yung boses niyo, napakaganda. It's very consistent. What a way to start IGT after a 3-week respite due to the series of typhoons that pummeled through Luzon Island. Congratulations and thank you for you set the tone of today's competition. Medyo pumalya lang doon sa last part. Napansin ko din yung halagas tapos saka mo tinuloy yung sa kanya. Nag-cut doon sa halagas. Then, tinuloy mo pa rin yung sa kanya. Perfect na sana. Konti lang naman. Almost negligible. Congratulations. That was a stunning performance.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you, Sir Aison.
Good start, oo.
Good
Thank you, Sir
start daw.
Aison.
Pasabog ka agad, di ba? Inspiring and pasabog ang first. Sige.
Next.
Next.
Let's move on
Sagot
to...
doon sa tanong, hindi natutulog ang Diyos.
Sinagot.
Yeah.
Opo. Thank you.
Hindi po. It's in Psalm, the book of Psalms.
Yeah.
Hindi natutulog ang Diyos. Yung ang gising siya, nagkaka-loko-loko na lahat eh. Yung pa kayang matulog siya.
Thank you,
Thank
Sir
you,
Jesse.
Sir Jesse. Tama, no? So sa mga kababayan natin, ano man ang pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, hindi po
natutulog ang Diyos.
Yes.
Ayan. So let's move on to Alicia. Okay, our next contestant.
The PEMS Club
Mananayaw.
Ayan. This is a group performance.
Ayan. Ito, inaabangan ko itong mga ganitong performances.
Oh. Alam nyo, yung sabi nila, ayan, sabi nila, parang kukunti yung mga nagpe-perform sa nagrupo. Pero at least, di ba, mga schools natin, last time, puro schools.
Oo, sabi mo absent sila yung last week. Ay, yung last week.
Ngayon, absent din ba kayo?
Absent din ba kayo?
Vacation na po na.
Vacation na.
Bakasyon na. Sana all bakasyon na.
So, hindi nag-absent.
Anong year na ang mga PEMS Club Mananayaw?
We are from 4th year PE majors po.
PE majors. So talagang sumasayaw sila.
Yes.
Ano naman ang prepare nyo for us? Siyempre, alam na namin sasayaw kayo kasi PEMS Club Mananayaw. Pero what can you tell about your performance? You will be performing today.
Good afternoon po, and thank you po so much for having us today. And we are going to present a folk dance called the Rigatones po. Traditionally, it is originated from the Cadiz po, from Negros Occidental. And actually, this is our winning piece po during the Buwan ng Kabataan folk dance cultural show po.
Ayan.
Okay, sige. Sige. Huwag na natin patagalin, ladies and gentlemen.
Na tayo.
Our contestant number 2 from Alicia Isabela, the PEMS Club Mananayaw. That's from Alicia Isabela, Pems Club Mananayaw. Ayan. Talaga naman, may pasigaw-sigaw pa sila eh, no? Bakit ba sumisigaw?
Actually, we are depicting the sellers on the market. Sila po yung mga ingay na nagtatawag.
80 na talaga.
Yes.
Parang taho. Parang gano'n, ano? Sige, pakinggan natin ang masasabi ng ating mga judges.
Ma'am Cora. Yan.
Good afternoon ulit. No? Natutuwa ako na nakikita yung mga kabataan, ano, na mga talented na kabataan natin. And this Isabela Got Talent, ano, Got Talent, parang usually nakikita lang natin mga singers. But this time, may mga dancers din tayo. So tanong ko lang, bakit pare-parehas ang buhok nyo?
Actually, yes.
Yan ba isang requisite para maging member ng Pems Club Mananayaw?
Ay, hindi naman po. Parang nire-require rin po sa mga dance troupe na mas maganda po kapag mahaba yung hair para pag may styling ng hair, ipare-pareho po.
Parehas ba? Lahat kayong tatlo, chinita. So, yun din ba requirement? Okay. Yung presentation, it's a happy presentation. No? Parang masaya lang. Kaya lang gusto ko sanang makita yung difficulty. Para naman, wow! Yung magugulat kami. Parang gusto ko siyang makita. Yun yung parang hindi ko nakita. But it's a happy presentation. Masaya lang, And I'm happy seeing our kabataans na ganito yung mga sin-showcase nila. But congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ma'am Cora. Attorney Kai?
Attorney Kai. Yan. Excited na si Attorney Kai.
Ayun po, good afternoon, Pems Club Mananayaw. Excited kasi syempre dancers. Yun nga po yung first question ko, is that your real hair? So nasagot nga doon kay Ma'am Cora na oo. Tapos yun nga po kang requisite ng dance troupe. Pero ang ganda, very uniform ang dating, even the smiles, the projection, the extension of your arms, and the way that you would turn. Is it highly technical? Parang hindi. Pero performance-wise, ang ganda nyo tignan because it was a charming performance. From the beginning up to the end, wala na akong ginawa kundi ngumiti at matuwa. Kasi very positive yung vibe nung dance. And at the same time, the story really takes you na, okay, so nanggaling sa fishing muna tayo, tapos biglang dumating na sa market, tinatawag na. Tapos parang imaginary, natin, no? Parang customers, nagtatawag. So doon mo makikita talaga yung beauty ng isang folk dance. Was it well executed? Definitely. Pero yun lang, nagkulang lang siguro tayo doon sa wow factor. Yun. Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you, Attorney Kayo. Next time, ha? Wow factor.
Wow factor.
Sir Jesse?
Anong school po sila?
From Philippine Normal University.
PNU. Ba't hindi nilagay PNU's Pems Club Mananayaw? Anyway, requirement ba sa Pems Club Mananayaw kailangan maganda ka at saka gwapo ka?
Hindi naman.
Hindi ka rin mayabang, no? Okay, so, wala na yatang gumagawa ng ginagawa nyo. Yung marami sa mga kabataan, ang gusto nila hip-hop, fusion, freestyle, jazz, yung iba nagbaballet. Kaya, having said that, I'd like to congratulate you because PNU, as the premier educational institution for future educators, has become a not only an IP hub, no, but also a repository of our culture and tradition. Although you dance yung isang sayaw ng ibang probinsya, okay lang kasi Pinoy pa rin. So I could feel that you enjoyed your performance, and I enjoyed it too. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Jesse.
Congratulations and thank you.
Pems Club Mananayaw.
Yes, from PNU, Alicia.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Partner, speaking of dancing, sana kung nakakita na tayo this week at saka previous weeks ng mga folk dance, sana next time may hip-hop.
Kala ko sasabihin mo sa akin, ako naman ang magsiyaw.
Pwede naman. Baka magpa-sample ka partner, ano?
partner. Okay na, okay na sila.
Sige,
Invite
sige.
na lang natin
So,
ulit sila.
yung mga duos o yung mga grupo na like nag-hip-hop dancing.
Yes, pwede naman kahit anong sayaw.
Yes,
pwede lang
yan.
ipakita.
Last time nga, di ba, may contemporaneous dance. Contemporary
ano
dance.
Ano yung ginawa ng tao ni Sir? Contemporary.
So, pwede pa mag-register. Open pa ang registration
natin. Open pa po ang
natin.
ating registration. At tuloy-tuloy lang po sana kayo ng pagpapadala ng inyong entries. Ayan.
Yes, partner. Let's go to our performer number 3, Resbacker.
Resbacker, yan. Abangan ko talaga to. From San Mateo, Isabela, Miss Patricia May Ramos.
Yan.
Yan. Patricia. Kamusta, Patricia? Welcome back.
Welcome back. Anong feeling mo nung tinawagan ka nila na you'll be performing again here at IGT stage?
Nagulat po ako tapos na-excite po ulit.
Na-excite. Si Patricia ba ay anong year na?
Second year po.
Second year college. Saan?
Sa ISU San Mateo.
San Mateo. Batiin mo mga taga-ISU at sa ISU San Mateo.
Sa lahat po ng mga taga-ISU San Mateo, hello.
Okay na kayo? Parang binaha din ng school nyo, di ba?
Opo, binaha po hanggang sa loob po mismo.
Pero bakasyon ka rin ngayon?
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi. Siya absent.
Ka. Sige, sino mga kasama mo? Pat?
Yung boyfriend ko lang po.
Naks naman. Kasama ang boyfriend. Dalawa silang absent. Sige, patay kayo sa ISU San Mateo. Sige, okay. Wag na natin patagalin. Ready ka na?
Yes po.
From San Mateo, Isabela,
Miss Patricia May Ramos.
Stars on the sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me, and baby, when I catch on fire, it's buried in my soul like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find two words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always trying to ride. You look at me and baby, wanna catch on fire. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. It's a part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find your words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Woo, 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 so when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Yeah. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Singing Lady Gaga's Always Remember Us This Way. That's from San Mateo, Isabela.
Our rest backer, Miss Patricia May Ramos.
Ayan. Kumusta? Okay ka ba sa performance mo?
Medyo.
Yeah.
Medyo lang.
Medyo? Tapos ka na, no? And pakinggan natin ang masasabi ng ating Attorney Kai.
Hello, Miss Patricia. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Parang saan nanggaling yung boses mo, no? Very, parang very sweet, di ba? Tapos medyo may konting snarl yung voice mo pagka yung na ni Lady Gaga. So this is an unplugged version. Kasi piano, lang siya di ba? Accompaniment. Ang maganda dito, lumilitaw kasi yung boses mo. But there are parts kasi na parang yung control mo medyo bumibitaw ka ng konti. Oo. Lalo na dun sa mga high notes, kasi yung bigla kang bababa. Meron dun part dun na malapit sa bridge. Although, yung tone kasi ng voice mo, lalo na for someone so young, ang ganda ng control. Pero so, maybe if you would also work on it, lalo na it comes with practice. That kind of talent also is not just God-given. Siyempre, it's also with grit and practice. I'm sure it's going to be better. Pero for this performance, maganda siya. Pero it's not the best that you have given. Ayun.
Ayan. Thank you, Attorney Kai.
PD Cora?
Yes. Patricia, hindi ko napanood yung first performance mo, no? Kasi rest backer ka. Tinanong ko kay Attorney Kai, sila yung may mga nasa top 3 yata, no, tinatawagan sa rest back. So pinapakinggan ko, siguro sabi ko, Lady Gaga's Always Remember Us This Way. Pero parang pilit yung iba, no? Parang, ninenervyos ka ba? Oo, kaya sabi ko, so, siguro wrong choice yan ng song ngayon, kasi hindi ganun kasolido yung performance. But nevertheless, ang ganda ng boses mo, kailangan lang siguro piliin yung tamang song, yung nababagay sa timbre ng boses para yung dating swabe lang, hindi pilit yung pagbirit mo. But it's a good performance.
Thank you
so
po.
congratulations pa din.
Thank you, PD Cora. Sir Jesse.
That was a heartfelt performance of a Lady Gaga original. Maganda yung yung diction mo. There's just a little problem in terms of enunciation. Hindi consistent na maganda yung enunciation mo. So, because you're telling a story, nandiyan yung boyfriend mo, pag kinakanta mo, remember us this way. Anyway, as a whole, it was a rest-back-worthy performance. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you, Sir Jesse.
Thank you, Patricia May
Thank you,
Ramos.
Patricia. Okay.
Lipat tayo sa Santiago City. Let's welcome back Mr. Mark John Tomas. Wild card. Ayan. Welcome back.
Welcome back, Mark. Kumusta?
Okay lang po.
Ano yung reaction on what was your reaction when they called you to go back on stage for another performance?
Excited po na kinakabahan. Mixed emotions po.
Mixed emotions. Ano ang prepare mo for us this time?
An OPM song po.
OPM.
Yes,
sinong kasama mo?
Yung staff ko po.
Ayan. Hello po. Welcome back po din po sa IGT. So, ready ka na?
Yes, sir.
Ready
Okay,
ka na.
so let's hear it from Mr. Mark John Tomas of Santiago City.
minsa'y nadarapa, paano mapagagaan? Puso ay buksan at sa pagpapatawad ilaan. Muling buksan ang puso minsa'y nagtampo, mamamasdan muli ang kagandahan ng mundo. Wala at di mananatiling nasa iyo, basta't limutin mo anumang sakit nito at ipaanod mo sa agos ng panahong tumatakbo. Alalahanin mo ang buhay natin minsan lang, dusa't ligaya'y kakambal ng nilalang. Mahigpit mong hawakan ng ligaya't sayang, kung umalis ito'y hindi magbabalik muli. Kaya't buksan ang puso at yakapin mo ang kasabihan man kung iyan ang natakda sa'yo. Bukas magugulat ka pa pagising mo, ang kapalit nito ay ligayang ang totoo. Hindi ba't bawat tao ay may kani-kanyang paraiso? Alalahanin mo ang buhay natin minsan lang, dusa't ligaya'y kakambal ng nilalang. Mahigpit mong hawakan ang ligaya't sayang, kung umalis ito'y hindi magbabalik muli. Alalahanin mo ang buhay natin minsan lang, dusa't ligaya'y kakambal ng nilalang. Mahigpit mong hawakan ng ligaya't sayang, kung umalis ito'y hindi magbabalik muli. Kaya't buksan ang puso at yakapin mo ang kasabihan man kung yan ang natakda sa'yo. Bukas magugulat ka pa pagising mo, ang kapalit nito ay ligayang ang totoo. Hindi ba't bawat tao ay may kani-kanyang paraiso? Kung nasaktan ka man, yan din ay magdaraan. Puso'y muling buksan at sa pagmamahal mo ilaan.
From Santiago City, Isabela, singing Muling Buksan ang Puso,
Mr. Mark John Tomas.
Yan.
Ganda.
Isabela!
Parang ang hirap, parang ako ang napagod sa performance ni Sir Mark. Anyway,
ewan natin
let's hear it from our judges.
Okay.
PD Cora, ma'am.
PD Cora.
Hello, Mark Chan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
The emotion is there, no? Talang feel na feel mo yung rendition mo. And you're a good storyteller. Kasi pumipikit ako, pwede, sabi ko. So, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Attorney Kai?
Agree ako kay Ma'am Cora. Ang galing, ang linis. Tapos, the way that you would play with the softness and the loudness of your voice, the tone, yung crescendo, decrescendo, for the way that you would tell the story also through the volume of your voice, ang galing. Kaya para kang hinihele, but at the same time, medyo yung impact na hinihila ka din. Hindi ako familiar sa song personally, pero the way na parang tuloy siyang naging familiar. So if Disney had a prince who is a Filipino, ikaw yun.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Atty. Sir Jesse?
Sir Jesse.
Ang ganda ng boses. Mark John Thomas, bagay na bagay sa iyo yung kanta. Kasi galing sa Biblia yung mga pangalan mo. Ang tema ng kanta ay about pagpapatawad. No, the God intones we have to forgive 70 times 7. So, pag nag-soar yung boses mo, ang galing kasi it's very, very solid pa rin. It doesn't break. When you hit the highest notes, it's still, your voice doesn't break. So, yung kinanta mo, Basil Valdez yan, di ba?
Original, sir. Yes po.
George Canseco ang nag-compose, I think.
And yung mga version po, yung kay Sir Eric po yung version. Eric Santos po.
Eric Santos.
Yes, sir.
Oo naman. Alam ko naman na ganyan generation mo. Pero yung mga times kasi nagaganda ng mga kanta ni na Basil Valdez, Anthony Castelo, yung mga balladeers, yung mga Nonoy Zuniga, yung mga tinutularan ngayon ng generation ninyo ni na Eric Santos. Congratulations, mukhang mahihirapan kami mag-judge.
Thank you, sir.
From this point.
Yeah. Thank you, Sir Jesse.
Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you, Mark John Thomas.
Yan. This time, Westbacker ulit. Mga magagaling ang mga Westbacker at wildcard natin. From Hawaiian City,
Miss Manilyn Tumbaga. Westbacker ulit. Ayan. Mga nagbabalik.
Yeah, mga nagbabalik. Ito rin nagbabalik din si Miss Manilyn. Kamusta?
Okay lang po.
Ano naging reaction mo nung tinawagan ka nila?
Masaya po. Yes,
in-expect mo ba na may chance ulit na makapag-perform?
Yes po. At ibibigay ko yung best ko ngayon.
Yan, hindi ko na itatanong, ibibigay mo na talaga yung best mo. Yes, ano bang, sige, surprise na lang. Pakinggan na lang.
Tatanungin mo na naman.
Tatanungin ko kung ano. Sige, huwag na natin patagalin. Ang nagbabalik sa IGT stage, our Westbacker from Cauayan City,
Miss Manilyn Tumbaga.
If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you when I reach step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. My darling, you, bittersweet memories. That is all I'm thinking it'd be. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you did. And I will always love you. I treat you kind, and I hope you have all you dream of, and I'm wishing you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love.
Singing I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. That's Kawayan City's
Miss Manilyn Tumbaga.
IGT is sweeter and stronger.
Yes, and
the
masakit
second time
ang
around.
ulo ng mga judges.
Sinabi mo pa. Kaya pakinggan natin kung anong masasabi nila. Attorney Kai?
Ito na, nag-uumpisa na. Ang sakit talaga ng ulo. Miss Manilyn, hello.
Hello po.
Siyempre, Whitney Houston, no? Ang laki kasi ng impact and at the same time, the expectation of I Will Always Love You. It's a quintessential song na talagang from movies up until hugot, di ba, moments. Did you sing it well? Definitely. Pero meron yung mga notes kasi na yung pagka-control mo at pagka-prolong sana ng nota, medyo nabitin ka doon ng konti. Oo. Pero maganda yung boses mo. Kaya mo siya. Pero as to, syempre, you cannot help but compare to the original song by the legend herself. Medyo kulang yun. Kumbaga, konti na lang, nandun ka rin sa tamang timpla.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Attorney Kai.
Thank you, Attorney Kai. PD Cora.
Ito na. Bakit ba ako andito? Diba? Ang ganda ng buhay ko kanina eh. Okay, one of the hardest song talaga is that I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. No, nakikinig ako dyan, sabi ko, hirap naman ito. So far, you did well. No? May mga, ano lang, no? May mga konting-konti lang naman, ano, na nakita ko, medyo nabitin lang. But so far, ang ganda ng rendition mo. Kasi ito yung mga, so sa pinakamahirap, ano, na kanta talaga. Mga contest pieces ito, medyo iniiwasan yung I Will Always Love You, di ba? Kasi mahirap talaga. But you did well, ano? Congratulations.
Thank you,
Manilyn.
Thank you,
PD Cora. And Sir Jesse.
Hi, Manilyn.
Hello po,
Sinong
sir.
original singer niyang kantang yan?
Whitney Houston po.
Oh,
Pero may original pa
ang
po.
original is Dolly Parton.
Opo.
Oo. It was a country song yan dati eh. Hindi siya sumikat, pero nung inawit ni yung cover ni Whitney Houston, yun ang sumikat ng todo. At yun ang kanyang naging signature song. So that's the signature song of arguably and probably the best singer in the history of mankind. Ang problema when we sing an anthem like I'll Always Love You, na alam na magmula ng mga bata hanggang sa matatanda, talaga it was very, very popular then because it was the theme song of a big Hollywood movie. Memoryado namin kung ano yung mga nota kung ano yung key, kung ano yung lyrics. Memoryado namin lahat kahit hindi kami mga singers. Kaya sabi nga ni Attorney Guy, you will have to be compared to the original singer. So yes, you have the pipes, you have the voice to sing a Whitney Houston song. Nagkakaproblema lang sa enunciation. There were letters na missing, no, na omit. Hindi ko na babanggitin. When you sing a song, you master not only the melody, yung ano din, the lyrics, i-master mo din. Word for word for word. Word for word, pag i-master mo siya. Because you are telling a story, it's your narrative, and we are listening. Kasi kapag nagkikipagkwentuhan ka, nakikipagmarites ka sa kaibigan mo, at merong na-omit na salita, o word, o salita, ang sasabihin ng kaibigan mo, ano? So, madidisrupt ka, di ba? So, again, it boils down to storytelling. And anyway, it was a good performance. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you, Manilin.
Yeah. And at this point,
yung mic natin. Ayan, so, partner, at this point,
we would like to acknowledge and thank our department heads.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. Our department heads, our assistant department heads,
and of course, our chiefs of hospitals.
And syempre, ang pinaka-paborito nating
IGT
audience. A round of applause for everybody nga. Thank you.
Na-miss namin.
Ayan. Sige, tuloy na natin. Partner, this time,
from Jones, Isabela.
Malayo-layo ang pinanggalingan nito. Sige.
Mr. Jason Nicolas. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jason.
Mr. Jason Nicolas.
Yan, kamusta?
Ayos lang po, nervyos.
Ninervyos.
Okay lang yan. Pang-anim ka na mag-perform.
Yun nga, narinig na niya lahat kasi nung nag-perform eh.
Yeah.
Kinakabahan.
Sino mga kasama natin ngayon?
Kasama ko lang po yung ex-girlfriend ko.
Yan, naasawa nyo na po ngayon. Tama.
Ayan po, sir.
Ayan, hello po. Welcome po sa IGT. Ayan.
Good afternoon.
Ano pong barangay nyo sa Jones? Sa Jones po. Ano
barangay
pong
po.
Barangay 2 po.
Barangay
2.
Barangay 2. Okay. Hindi naman, kamusta naman po ang bagyo doon?
Last typhoon po yung Nika. Yun po yung tumama talaga sa amin. Doon po tumama.
No, pero okay naman na po kayo.
Okay naman na po.
Yan. Sige. Winawala ko lang po yung nervyos nyo.
Ready ka na, sir?
Ready ka na?
Ready na po.
Ready na. Yeah. Okay. From Jones, Isabela, Mr. Jason Nicolas.
Finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I've finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. We're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. Hey, hey, bye, bye, bye. I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start a fight. I know this can't be right. Hey, baby, come on. I love you endlessly when you were there for me. So now it's time to leave and make it alone. I know that I can take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you. Bye, bye, bye. Woo! Come on, just another baby game. What? You may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Really wanna make it up. I just wanna feel that I had enough. Might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. I'm giving up, I know for sure. I don't wanna be the reason for your love no more. Bye, bye. I'm checking out, I'm signing off. I don't wanna be the loser and I've had enough. I don't wanna be a fool in this game for two, so I'm leaving you behind. Bye, bye, bye. Make it tough. Bye, bye, baby. I don't wanna be a fool. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, ooh, might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie.
Hello. From Jones Isabella, that's Jason
Nicolas. Yan.
And
Song and dance number.
Song and dance number. Sing and dance number. Okay.
Hey.
That's decent.
Attorney Kai.
From our judges.
Tuwang-tuwa si Attorney Kai.
Oo nga. Kasi ang laki na ng kutob ko talaga na dancer si Sir. Lalo na dun sa In Your Eyes pa lang, dun sa may twirl siya dun na ginagawa eh. Siyempre si Sir medyo gumagalaw-galaw siya eh. Tapos nakita ko, teka lang, parang medley ata. Totoo nga. Ayun na, sumayaw na siya. Ang maganda po yung boses po ninyo, Sir Jason. Ang ano lang din syempre, pagkat sumasayaw na tayo, minsan nawawala na yung control. But for entertainment factor, for wow factor, talagang nakakagulat at parang iba yung audience impact dun eh. Yung the way that you would perform. Very catchy. It's also very entertaining. Is it a charming performance? Most definitely. Tsaka yung Bye Bye Bye, syempre Backstreet Boys. 90s eh. Parang napaka-nostalgic yung dating. Before Deadpool. Kasi yan talaga yung mga uso noon. Ang ano ko lang, sana po, ang naging transition natin from your ballad up to your dance performance, baka pwede natin gawing mas suwabe yung change. Oo. Kasi syempre, nag-stop na tayo bigla, tapos yun na, yung the dance performance. Baka meron tayong mas magandang magawa for the transition. Ayun lang po.
And thank you, Attorney Kai.
Thank you.
PD Cora, ma'am.
PD Cora.
Hello, Jason.
Hello po, ma'am.
Oh, ang ganda nung rendition mo ng In Your Eyes, no? Hindi ka lang nag-steady, no? Talagang total performance, no? Gumagalaw ka, no? Sabi ko, singer ba to o dancer? Mukhang rolled into one, ano? Pero yun lang, ano? Hirap kasi talagang kumanta at sumayaw, no? Pero mahirap yan, no? Yung medyo lang tinitingnan namin yung kanta at saka yung sayo, medyo nahihirapan ka, no? So sana medyo yung sabi nga ni Attorney Kai kanina, the connect tuloy-tuloy sana. Kasi ang ganda na nung In Your Eyes mo eh. Pero nung nag-shift ka into singing and dancing, nakita namin yung parang nagkaroon ng medyo, hindi namin nakikita na yung connect ng dalawa. But gusto ko yung performance mo kasi nag-engage ka eh. Kami kanina gumagalaw na kami, di ba? So the connect with your audience was there. Napakaganda yun sa isang performance. So congratulations, Jason.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Sir Jesse.
Sir Jesse.
Jason Nicolas in concert.
Thank you.
Napansin ko lang nung pinaulit yung pagkanta mo, mas nagkaroon ng energy, di ba? You gained in fact, in terms of confidence and showmanship, I'll give you a perfect score.
Ay, thank you po.
In fact, overconfident pa nga kung minsan.
Salamat.
Alam mo ba na yung inawit mong George Benson na song na In Your Eyes? Yan yung inawit ni Regine Velasquez when she won in the grand finals of ang bagong kampiyon several decades back. George Benson ang inawit niya. Ngayon pa lang yata nagkaroon ng contestant na sing and dance ang drama. No? So congratulations, you are a total performer.
Thank you po.
Yan, total performance. Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you, Jason.
Thank you, Jason from Jones.
Yan.
Okay.
And
for our last contestant for this round,
from City of Ilagan, Miss Lovely Joy Siton.
From the City of Ilagan.
Yan. Hi, Ma'am Lovely.
Good afternoon.
Kamusta?
Mabuting.
Ano pong barangay nyo sa...
City Homes po.
Sa City Homes po kayo. Barangay Alibago.
Opo.
Yan. Sino pong kasama nyo?
Best friend ko po.
Hello po. Welcome po sa IGT. So, kayo po ang last performance for round 1.
Yes.
Ready na po kayo?
Ready na po.
Okay. So, wag na nating patagalin. From City of Ilagan,
Miss Lovely Joy Siton.
Two old friends meet again when another faces and talking about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again and have a little more than reminiscing. Maybe this time in love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they have bred back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and every time I see cool the flame is burning even brighter than before. I gotta know to change, and if they take care, maybe this time in love and they're fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. way back when they tried, but something got them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time in the love and the fight, maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so wrong. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't.
Singing Maybe This Time.
From the city of Ilagan, Miss Lovely Joy Seaton.
Nihintay ko na sumayaw si... May mga ganun-ganun.
Kung pwede lang po.
Si Attorney Kai gusto niya sumayaw niya. Diba? Pakinggan natin ang masasabi ng ating mga hurado. PD Cora,
PD Cora.
Hello, Lovely. Nagbabanda ka ba?
Sakto po.
O yan, kasi kanina, nagbabanda to. Kako nga eh, parang singer ka crooner ka sa isang banda, no? Opo, kaya sabi ko yung rendition mo talagang pang pang banda, no? So, mas lalo kaming nahirapan ngayon. Kaya lang inintay ko sana yung sasayaw ka, magkaganon ka. Pwede po naman, habol po. Pero it was a good performance, ano? Ang ganda. Congratulations.
Thank you, PD Cora. Attorney Kai.
Attorney Kai, akala ko surprise mo kami. Doon sa bridge, hinihintay ko din eh. Pero ang ganda po ng boses po ninyo. Meron siyang distinct tone tsaka rasp. So parang when you reach yung high notes, okay, yan yung boses niya. So pagka kino-compare ko dun syempre sa original ni Sarah Geronimo, makikita mo yung difference. So you made the song your own. Magaling yung rendition niyo. Congratulations po.
Thank you, Attorney Kai. Sir
And
Jesse.
Sir Jesse.
Hi, Lovely. There's a foxy vibe to your voice. Nagbabanta ka nga pala, no? I'm sure kumakanta ka ng mga ageist songs.
Opo.
Condolence nga pala sa family nung si Miss Mercy, no? Mercy pangalan niya. Maganda yung boses. Yung volume, when I say volume, yung body ng voice, napakaganda. Tapos I agree with the Attorney Kai. There's raspy siya. Natural naman, hindi siya pinipuwersa. Kasi nakakasira daw ng vocal cords yon kapag pinipuwersa. Hindi naman siya rest-backer, no? This is your first time.
Yes.
So, congratulations. Nakatuntong ka sa IGT stage. Let's see kung ano pong mangyayari in the next few minutes. Congratulations for a very good performance.
Thank you, Sir Jesse.
Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you. Lovely. Stay ka na dito.
Stay ka na lang. Yan.
Tawagin na natin ang ating mga Week 17 contestants. Mr. Aison Bawit from City of Ilagan.
Pems Club Mananayaw from Alicia.
Miss Patricia May Ramos from San Mateo.
Mr. Mark John Thomas from Santiago City.
Miss Manilyn Tumbaga from Kawayan City.
And Jason Nicolas from Jones, Isabela.
Ayan. And finally, Lovely Joy Seaton.
Ayan. So,
ano kaya mangyayari?
To help us distribute the certificates of participation and the consolation prizes, we would like to ask PD Engineer Corazon Toribio to please distribute the certificates lang po.
And prizes.
Papatulong lang kami, Ma'am Cora.
Ayan. So, and once again, IGT audience, palakpakan nga po natin ang ating Week 17 contestants. Nagaling nila. Parang sumakit din ang ulo ng ating mga hurado.
Ayan. So habang nagtatali pa sila ng mga scores, let us first acknowledge the committees and the different departments.
Yes, of course. Thank you very much to our Isabella's Got Talent 2024 committees. First, we have the Oversight Committee, Office of the Governor, Office of the Provincial Administrator, headed by our Provincial Administrator, Attorney Noel Manuel R. Lopez. A round of applause, please.
The Secretariat with the Isabela Tourism Office and the Provincial Youth Development Office.
Our logistics from the Provincial General Services Office and the Office of the Provincial Engineer, headed by Sir Rodrigo T. Sawit.
For a Traffic Control, Crowd and Safety Committee, we have the Provincial Safety Office, Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, and the Provincial Security Group, headed by Mr. Kim Patrick Agbayani.
Of course, our Media and Promotions, our Provincial Information Office, headed by Attorney Elizabeth C. Binag.
And our Awards and Prizes Committee with the Office of the Provincial Treasurer, Provincial Budget Office, Office of the Provincial Accountant, and the Provincial Internal Audit and Control Office, headed by Ms. Maria Teresa Araneta Flores.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa ating IGT committees. Palakpakan nga po natin sila.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Okay. So, hinihintay lang natin. Confirming na lang ang result ng ating first round of competition. And yun nga, habang naghihintay tayo, we are inviting everyone na sana po ay continue pong mag-submit ng kanilang mga entries.
Yes.
Ang registration is makikita po natin sa Isabela PIO page. Ayan.
And you can also subscribe sa ating Isabela PIO YouTube channel, kung saan mapapanood natin yung ating mga IGT episodes. And of course, partner, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga kapartners pa sa ating Isabela's Got Talent. Andyan yung ating tabulation team. Ayan, si Doc Resi and Sir Perry. Maraming a round of applause please for them. Maraming salamat po sa ating
technicians
and sounds. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ang ating mga hurado na mukhang nahirapan ngayon at hindi pa tapos, may round 2 pa.
Yes, may round 2 pa. At may dalawa tayong defending champions today na lalabanan ng kung sino mananalo.
At syempre, partner, yung ating mga department heads.
Yes, assistant department heads and chiefs of hospital. And syempre, yung audience natin, hindi natin dapat kalimutan.
May paalala daw. Oo. Sa round 2 daw, wag muna aalis. Kasi sabay-sabay daw po tayong aalis.
Uuwi pagkatapos
kasama yung bus. Sabi po nila.
Okay.
So, I think we have the result.
Meron na po ba? Ayan, printing. Ayan. So again, the Isabela's Got Talent Kids Edition Grand Finals will be held on Friday, 3 p.m. tayo mag-uumpisa.
Yes,
tama
3 p.m. po tayo.
So kita-kita po tayo dito ng 3 p.m. on November 29, Friday.
Isama niyo po yung inyong mga kapamilya, kaibigan, mga chikitings para mapanood
nila yung kids naman natin.
Okay, so may we have Sir Jesse, sir, to announce the result of the first
round of week 17. Sino kaya?
Congratulations po to all the contestants. Yung mga sa tingin nyo may chance pa kayong manalo sa mga susunod, I encourage you to join again. Anyway, ilang weeks pa tayo, Sir Emil?
Hanggang 24 weeks po tayo.
Sige. Very close po yung first and second. It was a very tight competition. So the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, for week 17 of Isabela's Got Talent. Congratulations, Mr. Mark John Thomas.
Mark John Thomas from Santiago City.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yes, congratulations.
Our wild card.
Yes, congratulations.
And syempre, pasalamatan po natin ang ating mga IGT Week 17 contestants.
Thank you po. Ayan.
Thank you po.
Pwede na po.
Ayan, so magpe-prepare na po si...
Pag-rest lang muna natin si
Mark John.
Ayan. So, paunahin muna natin yung mga defending champions. We will call you again.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, tignan mo naman, partner. Yung ating Week 17 winner is a wild card. Talagang ang IGT stage nabibigyan tayo ng another
Second
chance.
chances. Ayan. Okay.
Parang, hello, love
again.
Parang ganun lang eh. IGT, hello, love again. So, tawagin na natin ang
unang
ating...
defending champion natin. No? Parang masyadong maliwanag yung mundo natin ngayon.
Yan. And our defending champion, this is his final, her final
week sana.
Sana.
Kung lulusot siya, kung palulusutin ng ating mga judges. Okay, so let's call on from Alicia Isabela, Miss Laika de la Cruz. Ayan.
Wow, si Laika. This is her final week.
Final week.
Sana.
Ito. Okay.
Kumusta? Mike, please.
Ulo.
Yeah.
Kinakabahan po.
Kinakabahan ka pa ba? This is your 4th week, di ba?
Ito yata yung pinakakaba kong round.
Pinakamahirap kasi nga last week.
Yes, this will be the deciding performance for you to be able to proceed sa ating
Grand
final. So, anong bago? Anong bago, Laika? Anong preparations mo na ginawa?
Ano po, syempre, nag-vocalize po muna ako ng Bagyo.
Ano
Ginamit ko yun.
Medyo maraming chance, mahaba-haba yung chance, ano? Dati, ikaw kilala ka bilang si KZ, di ba? Si KZ Tandingan. Tapos, you also performed Jessie J. This time, ano naman?
Jessie J po.
Jessie J.
So,
Okay.
Wag na natin patagalin. Our 3-week defending champion
from Alicia Isabela, Miss Laika de la Cruz.
Yeah! Come on! When there is something going down, like the storm in the sky, oh, I gotta be played by your behavior. How can I trust someone who's lying to me? So bow and go. Now I said bow and leave. I said take your steps and go, 'cause you're not for me. No, Mama, that's best friend. Time's kinda hard, and Papa always has a joke to make me laugh. Say Mama, that's best friend. I feel down, so bring me up and always keep my heels on the solid ground. Say no breakdowns that you can pick up and to run. Hey, and all of this inconsistent love. Well, I think it's time that STO stop. So bow and go. Now I said bow and leave. I said take your steps and go, 'cause you're not for me. No, Mama, that's best friend. Time's kinda hard, and Papa always has a joke to make me laugh. So Mama, that's best friend. I feel down, so bring me up and always keep my heels on the ground. Yeah. Just keep the best of my better sent to me. Always you simmer as your therapy, yeah. Don't ever take life too seriously. Just to you, 'cause you do you so perfectly. Mama knows best. See daddy knows best. See mama knows. Sick it a boom, sick it a boom, sick it a boom, 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 boom. Mama is best friend. Sounds kinda hard, and Papa always has a joke to make me laugh. See mama knows best friend. I feel down, so bring me up and always keep my heels on the ground. See mama knows best. See daddy knows best. See mama knows. Sick it a boom, sick it a boom, sick it a boom, 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 boom. See, mama, mama knows best. See, daddy, daddy knows best. See, mama, mama knows best.
Singing Mama Knows Best by Jessie J. That's our 3-week defending champion
From Alicia.
Laika.
Laika de la Cruz.
Talaga
Yan.
naman. Whew.
Nako.
What a performance. Pero pakinggan natin ang masasabi ng ating mga hurado. Let's begin with Attorney Kai.
Attorney Kai.
Grabe. Yun lang. Goosebumps. It's very Moulin Rouge-esque yung vibe. I love the gloves. I love the aura. Talagang yung presentation mo, pack na pack, di ba? Konting kembot na lang finals week. Parang pagtitignan kasi natin yung performance ni Miss Laika, akala natin madali lang. Kasi the way that you would perform, jazzy na kasi yung datingan eh. Yung the way na inatake mo yung song. Hindi ako ganun ka-familiar. Pero yung genre, doon mo makikita napaka-versatile talaga nung boses mo. Kasi dalang-dala. Pero doon ulit tayo babalik sa, ang linis pa rin ng runs, ang linis nung nota, very powerful, and then ang ganda rin nung hold mo sa notes. So whatever it is or whatever happens, I wholeheartedly believe that you belong in the finals week for Bambanti 2025.
Thank you po.
Yes, you belong in the finals week.
PD Cora.
PD Cora.
Ayan.
Hello, Laika.
Hello po.
Parang ako napagod. Ang ganda, no? One word to describe your performance. Wow! You deserve to be doon sa ating grand finals.
Yan. Thank you, PD Cora.
Deserving. Yes,
and
Sir
finally,
Jesse.
Sir Jesse.
You've got 2 votes. Yung beads sa gloves mo, remind me that you are a chameleon. You can be anybody you want. Siyempre, ayaw natin yung political chameleon, di ba? Pero sa singing naman, that's yung versatility na binanggit ni Attorney Kai. You can be vulnerable, you can shift to being fierce, tapos you can do a ballad, tapos you can do a protest song, you can do jazz, you can do blues, you can do anything you want. So, of course, at this point that you're very young, we can see the influences of Jessie J. Pero that's okay because even the great singers like Whitney Houston, I think she was influenced by her aunt, Dionne Warwick. Of course, hindi mo kilala si Dionne Warwick. Gary V. Na-influensyahan siya ni Michael Jackson, Earth, Wind and Fire, and Al Jarreau. So, that's the evolution of our music and our singers. So, I look forward to the time na mahanap mo yung sarili mong style, your own signature. For now, we're enjoying your performance and we're looking forward to watching you at the grand finals.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Sir Jesse. We're looking forward now. Thank you, Laika. So, malalaman natin mamaya. Next.
From Luna Isabella.
Another diva na diva din ito. From Luna Isabella,
Miss Elise Conde. Ayan.
Hi, Elise.
Hi po.
Ayan. Ano feeling na dati lang bumalik ka din as a wild card. This time, nasa second week ka na.
Happy po ako.
Happy ka. Sino mga kasama mo ngayon?
Sila Mommy po.
Sila Mami ulit. Thank you po ulit sa pag-support. Ayan. So, last week, you did a tatsulok. Sabi nga ni Sir Jesse last time, bakit parang galit ka? Galit ka sa... ano naman ang prepare mo for our judges and our audience tonight?
Nung bagyo po, nag-practice po ako na nag-practice. Humanap po sila Mommy na nagbabagay po sa
angkop na edad ko po na kanta. At ang nahanap po nilang kanta ay Patuloy ang Pangarap by Gigi Delena.
Ayan. Sige, pakinggan na
Pakinggan
natin.
natin. Patuloy ang Pangarap. From Luna Isabela, Miss Elise Conde.
Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Ako'y lilipad at lahat makakakita. Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Patuloy ang pangarap. Di pa rin makapaniwala sa lahat ng nangyayari. Pangarap parang kailan lang sa panaginip ko'y nakita. Ngayon ay dumating nang bigla sa aking buhay. Di naubusan ng pag-asa, ako'y nanalig sa isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Ako'y lilipad at ang lahat makakakita. Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Unti-unting mararating, tagumpay ko'y makikita. Patuloy ang pangarap. Di pa rin makapaniwala sa aking nakikita. Lahat ng panalangin ko ngayon may kasagutan. Lahat ng pinagdaanan at pinaghirapan nagbigay ng kalakasan upang marating ang isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Ako'y lilipad at ang lahat makakakita. Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Hindi
patuloy ang pangarap. That's our defending champion, Elise Conde.
From Luna, Isabela.
Wow, Elise.
Proud na proud sila, Mami.
Talaga naman. Sige, pakinggan natin ang ating mga hurado. PD Cora.
natin si PD Cora.
Elise, kumusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Anong masasabi mo doon sa performance mo?
Hindi ko pa alam.
Alam ko binigay mo yung best mo, no? You're just 12 years old, no? Nalaman ko kay Sir Jesse, 12 years old ka pa lang, pero meron na, no, ang ng range ng boses mo, no? Congratulations for reaching this far, no? I hope na ma-defend mo pa din ang title mo. Congratulations, you did well.
Thank you po.
Thank you, PD Cora.
PD Cora.
Tornikay.
Miss Elise, grabe, 12 years old, no? Meron yung tone of maturity pagka kumakanta ka. Napakalinis, napaka-clear, the way that you will also pronounce the words. Very clean yung pagkakakanta. Even the outfit, Mommy, ang ating stylist, di ba? Very cute, very, di ba? Very dainty ang dating. Ang lang kasi, minsan, ang tendency, if you over-practice something, yung pagiging natural na galaw mo, it's controlled. Kaya, minsan, it takes off from the performance kasi masyado kang iniisip yung mechanical movements mo na on this word, I have to do this. On this verse, I have to go here. Diba? Natatanggal yung paano ba, pagka-candid nung song, especially when you are telling a story. Lalo na ito yung parang patuloy ang pangarap. So, the performance was very good. Pero for me kasi, it lacked the emotion that it entails pagka natural lang yung dating. Maganda yung rehearsals. It's very well practiced. Pero yun lang, pupunta siya dun sa point na nagiging medyo mechanical. Yung lalo na with your movements. Your voice, no problem. Ang galing, ang ganda, ang swabe. Pero as to the body language kasi, which is also part of your performance, medyo nadidistract lang kasi ako. Ayun.
Thank you, Attorney Kai.
Thank you, Attorney Kai. Sir Jesse.
Yan, Sir Jesse.
Hello, Elise.
Hello po.
I-report ko kayo sa NDRRMC kayong dalawa ni Laika. Kaya pala lumakas yung bagyo. Kayong dalawang may kasalanan. Congratulations, angkop na angkop ang iyong pananamit at ang iyong napiling awitin sa iyong edad, 12 years old. Congratulations sa nakikinig po yung magulang ninyo dun sa mga payo ng mga organizers. You're a very beautiful lady. Lumabas yung pagiging bata mo. And yung kanta, tamang-tama dun sa nangyari sa atin dito sa Luzon, sa probinsya ng Isabela, na masyado tayong hinagupit ng sunod-sunod na mga pag-unos. Patuloy ang pangarap, patuloy pa rin ang pangarap. So you were singing that song on behalf of the children of the province of Isabela and the rest of the other provinces. Gaano man katindi mga pagsubok na darating, magpapatuloy ang aming mga pangarap. And it was a very, very good message, no? It was a very, very good rendition. Your way, alam mo, you could sing a storm, and you could steal the thunder from older and more experienced singers, as you have proven in the past. And for that alone, congratulations. Panalong-panalo ka talaga.
Thank you,
Hope
Sir
to see
Jesse.
you in the finals.
Ayan. Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you, Elise. Pang finals na daw.
Kinakabahan na akong dalawa na yung
Yan. And ang humamon, partner. Ang humamon, our Week 17 winner and challenger from Santiago City. Tawagin na natin.
Mr. Mark John Tomas. Yan. Pang prinsipe yung boses.
Ayan. Okay na? Hindi ko na patatagalin. Hindi na namin patatagalin dahil alam kong ready ka na to challenge our two ladies.
Defending champions, yes.
Yan. From Santiago City, once again, our Week 17 challenger, Mr. Mark John Tomas.
Paano ang puso kong ito ngayon lumisan ka sa piling ko? Kung kailan sumikat ang araw at lumigaya ang aking mundo. Paano na mga bukas ko ngayon wala ka na sa buhay ko? Paano mga pangarap, mga pangako sa bawat isa? Ng puso mo sana'y yakapin mo akong muli kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit mayakap. Paano ang puso kong ito ngayon lumisan ka sa piling ko? Puso ko'y biglang naulilan, iyong iniwanan na nag-iisa. Sana'y ika'y muling makita ko ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo akong muli kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit mayakap ka. Kahit isang saglit
That's our Week 17 challenger from Santiago City singing Kahit Isang Saglit.
Yes,
Mr. Mark John Thomas. What a way to end round 2. At masakit ang ulo
ng tatlong judges.
Yeah. Si Attorney Kai, nakaganon na. Sige.
Ang saya nung
saya
last
ngayong
round,
tatlo, no? Tatlong magagaling. At sige, pakinggan natin ang masasabi ng ating mga hurado. Let's begin with Attorney Kai. What can you say?
Wala po. Ilang beses ko na rin po narinig yung different versions of Kahit Isang Saglit. Tapos nung nalaman ko po yung trivia on how the song came to be, your version today, tonight, I believe, is what it should sound like and what it should be. So if it's going to be original soundtrack, it would be your version.
Thank you.
Wow, original soundtrack. Thank you, Attorney Kai.
Ganda. Okay, PD Cora.
Mark John. Ang galing mong pumili ng song na bagay sa boses mo. Galing, no? Sabi ko nga, di ba kanina, singing or music is also storytelling. Sabi ko kanina, ang galing mo talagang magkwento, no? Kasi damang-dama mo, kahit nakapikit ako, parang feel ko din yung kanta mo. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, PD Cora. And finally, Sir Jesse.
Sir Jesse, ito na.
Congratulations, Mark John. At some point, akala ko humihikbi ka na eh. There were, di ba? You're getting carried away by all the emotions. Just a bit of caution. Kailangan i-control din natin yung emotions. It could get in the way of a better performance. No? Akala ko nga, iiyak ka na eh. Dahil sa sobrang tindi ng emosyon. Anyway, let's see what will happen in the next few minutes.
Laging ganun Sir Jesse. Pabitin. Let's see what will happen.
So let's call back our 3 contestants.
Ayan. Thank you, Sir Jesse. Laging let's see.
Let's see talaga ito.
Let's see talaga. Okay? So,
Laika De La Cruz from Alicia and Miss Elise Conde from Luna. Ayan. Ako.
Yan, partner, sabi nga natin, if Laika will win tonight,
she will move on to the grand finals.
And kung si Elise naman,
second
week niya na.
Or first week na mananalo.
Di natin alam, di ba?
Oo. Alam mo naman dito, di ba?
Oo nga, maraming
surprises. So, depende na yan sa mga judges natin kung ano magiging desisyon nila.
Kumusta kayo?
Nabado po.
Sige. Okay. So, once again, partner, invite natin ang ating mga IGT audience, yung ating mga viewers, kanilang mga...
Please, you can still send your entries or pwede pa kayong sumali dito sa IGT 2024.
Punta lang po sa Isabela PIO. Meron po yung
QR code.
QR code or registration link po doon. And, again, we invite everyone to subscribe sa ating
Isabela PIO
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. Okay.
And syempre, next week is another special edition.
It's the Isabella's Got Talent Kids Edition Grand Finals. Ayan. So again, 3 p.m. po tayo magkikita-kita dito next week.
Opo. Sabi ko nga, di ba ma'am, nung pinapanood natin yung mga videos ng mga bata, paano kaya next week? Sana manalo na lang silang So, ganun po ka.
Medyo mahirap din ang competition next
mahirap
week.
din yung competition.
So, as of now, we have, for the kids, meron na tayong 3 golden buzzers. Diba?
And
tapos, we have 9 or
10. 10 na po tayo.
Okay, we have 10 contestants
next week.
Kung
sino man po yung mananalo
dun sa 10 will challenge the 3
or will join doon sa grand finals.
Okay. So
25,000 po ito. No?
25,000 ang mapapanulan ng ating grand champion.
At maraming freebies for kids. Buti pa sila. Parang gusto ko na maging bata ulit. Parang maraming surprises next week.
Ready na ba?
Ready na po ba?
Ayan, so let's call on our judges on stage, please, to announce the results.
Sir Jesse.
Again, we'd like to thank Attorney Kai, PD Cora and Sir Jesse. Ayan. Okay.
And
Handa na
this
ba tayo?
is the moment of truth.
Ayan, Sir Jesse.
Yung ano nyo nga. Yan.
Okay, Sir Jesse, mukhang nasa iyo na po ang resulta.
Yes. Gandang gabi po. May I please just acknowledge the presence of our beloved Provincial Administrator, Attorney Noel Manuel R. Lopez.
Good evening
Thank
po.
you for allowing me to sit dun sa upuan po ninyo. Napakahirap pala. Sir.
Sir Jesse?
Okay, ganito. On Friday, we are going to have the grand finals for the IGT kids. So, Elise, this is the end of your IGT journey, but you are going straight to the grand finals for the IGT kids.
Wow! Yes, correct.
Okay.
Ang galing ng twist na yun, ha? So, congratulations. Parang nagulat ako.
Okay, so nadagdagan na. So, we have 4 na.
Elias, pagkatapos mong binago yung pananamit, na-realize po namin bigla na bata ka pa pala. So, dun ka muna sa IGT Kids, okay?
So, pasok na siya sa
pasok na siya
IGT Kids Grand Finals. Okay.
Okay. And we have, as for Laika de la Cruz, you are going to the IGT Grand Finals.
Yes, congratulations. So we have our 6th Grand Finalist.
6th Grand Finalist.
Having said that, we have a new defending champion in the person of Mark John Tomas.
Congratulations.
They're all winners, partner.
3 winners tonight. 1 Grand Finalist for the IGT Kids Edition. 1 for our Grand Champion.
Si Elise will proceed sa ating Grand Finals. And of course, our
defending champion,
our new
Mr.
champion.
Mark John Tomas.
And once again, thank you po, Sir Jesse, Attorney Kai, and
PD Cora.
PD Cora.
Ayan. So congratulations to all our 3 champions tonight.
Ayan. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Isabella's Got Talent, brought to you by the Provincial Government of Isabela, headed by the Honorable Rodito T. Albano III
and Honorable Faustino Bojili III.
Magkita-kita po tayo next week.
Next week, dito po 3 p.m. at the GFND Amphitheater.
For the Isabella's Got Talent Kids Edition
Grand Finals.
Once again,